Hello, and welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a pinch of fun. Today, you're going to learn how to make the creamiest, most aromatic and comforting arroz con leche you've ever seen. A classic dessert from Latin cuisine that's been passed down through generations and sparks memories with every spoonful. And the best part, all this with a simple, practical recipe full of secrets that will turn a handful of basic ingredients into something truly special. Before anything else, picture a steaming bowl, shiny rice submerged in a thick, smooth cream, with a gentle sprinkle of cinnamon on top, steam rising as the nostalgic aroma fills your kitchen. Stay with me until the end because there's a trick that will make you never want another recipe again. Let's talk about the ingredients for this creamy rice pudding. There aren't many, but each has its purpose. And the secret lies in time and patience. It's not just about throwing everything into a pot and waiting. It's about building flavor, texture, and memories. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, because our recipes will win you over with their flavor and simplicity. And don't forget, you'll find the full list of ingredients in the video description. Ingredients for 6 generous servings.
1 cup of white rice. 2 cups of filtered water.
1 liter of whole milk. 1 cinnamon stick. Peel of 1 lemon, no white pith.
Half a cup of sugar. 1 pinch of salt.
Half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Let's get right to cooking. We start by washing the rice well. This is essential to remove excess starch and keep it from getting mushy or clumpy. We want it creamy, not pasty. Once the rice is clean, it goes straight into the pot with 2 cups of water. Add the lemon peel and cinnamon stick too. This is the first cooking step. Medium heat, uncovered, until the water almost evaporates. This will take about 10 minutes, and you'll already smell the amazing aroma of the cinnamon and lemon. This infusion is what will perfume the milk later. That's the point we're aiming for. Rice that's cooked but still firm, ready to absorb the milk. Now the hot milk goes in slowly, 1 ladle at a time. Don't dump it all at once. We're going to feed this rice as if it were a sweet risotto. Stir, let it absorb a bit, and then add more milk. This process lets the rice starch blend into the milk, creating a creamy, thick texture without any need for thickeners. Over the next 10 to 15 minutes, the rice will slowly cook in the milk. Now it's time to sweeten. In goes the sugar and a pinch of salt.
That's right, salt.
Just a tiny bit, to enhance the milk's flavor and balance out the sweetness. With the sugar dissolved, the milk thickening, and the rice becoming perfectly tender, it's time for the trick that changes everything: sweetened condensed milk. This is the moment when creamy rice pudding becomes a true dessert. The condensed milk adds shine, creaminess, and that velvety sweetness that makes you want to scrape the bowl clean. Stir for another 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. The rice needs to rest. Now comes a secret not everyone tells you: let the rice rest for 10 minutes with the lid on. This resting time is when the flavors deepen, the cream sets, and the texture becomes perfectly balanced between firm and creamy. Now for the finishing touch, a sprinkle of cinnamon on top, and a little twist of lemon peel on the side. This is the real deal. Creamy, aromatic, tasting like home, childhood, and cozy rainy afternoons under a blanket. Serve it hot, still steaming, or chilled the next day, when it's even creamier. And if you want to get creative, add rum-soaked raisins or even a little grated nutmeg. But just like this, it's already perfect. If this recipe brought back memories for you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any recipes like this one. Tell me in the comments below, how do you like your creamy rice pudding? Does your family have their own version? Next week, I'll bring you another practical, delicious recipe made with love to help you surprise your family. See you in the next video, and remember, the kitchen is where the magic happens.